Unit-4, Lesson-3, 4, 5. Using a dictionary 1 and using a dictionary 2 and looking up words in a dictionary. Hello students, how are you? I am Miss Dictionary. When and why do you use a dictionary? Read the text in A of Lesson 4 and answer the question. What do we find in a dictionary? A dictionary helps us in many ways. We can find out spelling, meaning, pronunciation, examples, parts of speech, synonym, and antonym of a particular word. Dear students, I help you in many ways.
To see the meaning of words, to check spelling of words, to learn pronunciation of words, to break words into syllables, to see the label for noun, verb, adjective, preposition, conjunction, pronoun and interjection. To learn the plural of nouns and tense of the verbs. To check a sentence or expression with the word used correctly. To learn comparatives and superlatives of adjectives and adverbs. To learn synonyms, antonyms, homophones and homographs of words. To know the origin or history of a word.
How to find out the words dig, duck, dance, and doll in a dictionary.
Let us now see how to find the words dig, duck, dance, and doll in a dictionary. The words dig, duck, dance, and doll share the same first letter, D. All the words come after the letter C and before the letter E. But their second letters are A, dance, I, dig, O, doll, and U, duck. Let's arrange these words in alphabetical order. Number 1, dance. The letter A in dance comes before the other second letters I, O, and U. Therefore, in the alphabetical sequence, the first word is dance. Number 2, dig. The letter I will come next, and so the word dig is second in sequence. Number 3, doll. The letter O, doll, comes after the letter I, dig, but before U, duck. The word doll is third. Number 4, duck. The word duck is last in this sequence. We can also find these words with the help of guide words. Number 1, to find the word dance, look up for the guide words that begin with letters D-A, as the letter N will come only after D-A. Once close, use the third letter of your word, which is N, to run down the page to locate the word dance. Number 2, similarly, to find the word dig, look up for the guide words beginning with letters D-I, as the letter G will come only after D-I. Once close, use the third letter of your word, which is G, to run down the page, rolling down from did, die, to the word dig. Number 3. To find the word doll, look up for the guide words that begin with letters D-O, as the letter L will come only after D-O. Now, directly go to the pages of the dictionary that show guide words beginning with D-O, and then start looking up for the word doll in the next few pages. Number 4. Similarly, to find the word duck, look up for the guide words that begin with letters D-U, as the letter C will come only after D-U. Now, directly go to the pages of the dictionary that show guide words beginning with D-U, and then start looking up for the word duck in the next few pages.
Now, students, look up the following words in a dictionary. Ancestor, portrait, costume, swallow, wrap.